On April 25, 2026, the first operational Boeing MQ-25A Stingray successfully completed its maiden flight. Taking off from Mid-America Airport in Illinois, the autonomous refueling drone stayed airborne for over 2 hours, marking a historic moment for the U.S. Navy. But why is this aircraft such a big deal? For years, the Navy relied on fighter jets like the F/A-18 Super Hornet to perform buddy refueling, a critical task where jets refuel other aircraft mid-air. While essential, this role pulled combat aircraft away from missions and added wear and tear to these expensive jets. That's where the MQ-25A Stingray comes in. Originally developed under the Navy's UCLASS program, this unmanned aircraft is designed specifically to handle aerial refueling, freeing up fighter jets to focus on combat operations while also extending their range. The Navy plans to deploy a fleet of 76 MQ-25A aircraft across its aircraft carriers, transforming how carrier-based air wings operate. At first glance, the MQ-25A may look similar to Boeing's earlier T-1 demonstrator, but this version is built for real-world military missions. It measures about 51 feet in length with a wingspan of 75 feet, roughly the same footprint as a Super Hornet. Powered by a Rolls-Royce AE 3007N engine, it delivers 10,000 pounds of thrust and can operate at high subsonic speeds with a range of around 500 nautical miles. But the real upgrades are under the surface. The MQ-25A features mission-ready systems, including intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, advanced communication systems, and a rugged design built for aircraft carrier operations. Its folding wings, reinforced landing gear, and corrosion-resistant structure make it perfectly suited for the harsh naval environment. During its first flight, the drone was controlled by a joint team from Boeing and the U.S. Navy, while additional aircraft monitored its performance in the sky. This test focused on key objectives like autonomous ground operations, flight control validation, engine performance, and command system integration. And according to Navy officials, this is just the beginning. The MQ-25A isn't just another aircraft. It's a glimpse into the future of autonomous warfare and carrier aviation. As this technology evolves, it could redefine how air power is projected across the globe.